Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. The Solid Gold LTM is finally back in Fortnite. So if you guys do enjoy, make sure to subscribe and use code PWolf. Also, if you want to be in a video, send a picture on Discord using my code. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace. Let's go.
Nope.
Pump
Hi,
and
how are
tap over here.
198.
If you can hit me. Oh my god, I just got completely destroyed. Oh my god. He's downstairs, I'm pretty sure.
No, don't do it!
Good one, good one. Good one.
Okay, buddy.
That one. Pop.
First kill with a combat?
Nobody cares.
I sniped one in the forehead. Four. I'm coming over to you. Oh, proximity.
Do it!
Good one. There's more, yeah. Wait, you got him?
There's still one more.
Tag him 70! He's so weak!
Bye.
I have 70 white.
Let's go, dude.
It's really cool. Okay, let's see if there's any
What
extra.
is that?
Oh!
I knew there
we're
was
trying
kids
to
in.
They're trying to RPG us out of the sky, huh? These
That's
weirdos. Who the heck just RPG'd
Hey,
us?
what happened?
Let's
Oh
go!
my God!
Dude, this thing is disgusting. Oh, I thought I hit that. Wait, they're not on a team.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
No, they're not. They just killed each other.
Wait, what?
Booty, kid.
Okay, I'm coming. What do you mean? What? That's weird. What?
Hello there.
Okay.
Yeah, they weren't on a team. That's so weird.
Oh!
Where are they?
These kids!
I cracked one.
I found Get over here! I'm healing real quick.
No!
Knocked one. I need help.
Come on. Okay, I'm coming.
Oh, frick, you almost just killed me.
Where do you think to go?
On me.
Kids. Everybody has a double RPG in this lobby for some reason.
Whoa. What?
Attacked.
Knocked.
Good one. Behind the tree. No, you built. So weak. Got him.
Oh my god, you knocked me down. That scared me out to death.
No, he won't kill me.
Got
He
him!
hit me with his combat. I swear, if he loses, just fight him, kill him, please, just kill him normally. He has height. He's really strong.
Oh no! I hit my girl!
Now you have to kill him. Motherfucker. You hit it. Okay, you hit it. Now kill him, please. I want to get this win, even though it's only an OTM win, so it doesn't matter if it do us or anything. I still want to get this win. No, don't even try it. Don't. You could probably proximity. Do the proximity at that metal floor. Oh.
Why you bullying me?
No, don't. It's gonna edit you. Please come.
Wait, what?
Were you meaning to just launch pad and then have it put you down? Well, you have to put a floor at the end of the ramp if you want to do that. Smart place, smart! Yo! This kid!
Look at this dude.
Snipe him, you won't. That blinked! Oh my god!
Go crazy! Go stupid!
Let's go, bro! Dude!
God.
No way!
No!
No scoped him out of the air, bro. Let's go. That made the little L at the end.
No!
Oh my god! I knew I was gonna hit it eventually, bro. Let's go, bro. G freaking G, bro.
Oh
Let's
my.
go.